Alright, well our pasta jambalaya is all done, and the best part's here where we get to get all the pieces together and taste it. So, here we go. Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making a budget-friendly twist on jambalaya pasta. For that, we're going to need a medium onion diced, a small green pepper diced, 2 stalks of celery diced, a 32-ounce container of chicken broth, a box of bow tie pasta, a smoked sausage sliced up, chicken diced up into about 1 inch or ½ inch pieces, a green onion chopped up, just the green parts, about 4 cloves of garlic, a can of tomato paste, a can of cream of chicken soup, and probably about a teaspoon of thyme, and a cayenne pepper or a nice Cajun blend. Put a layer of oil in and dump in our meats. Our next step after we remove our chicken and sausage from cooking will be to add in our garlic, add in our vegetables, and sprinkle them thoroughly over with our seasonings. Alright, once those vegetables have had some time to soften up and cook, we are going to be adding in our tomato paste. We also took the time to add in our soup. We're going to give this a good stir in the bottom of our pot before adding back in our sausage and our chicken. After our sausage and chicken again, we will add in about 16 ounces of pasta and our container of chicken broth. We're going to put the lid on our pot and let this cook for probably the next 20 to 30 minutes, keeping an eye on how everything is working. Okay, after it's cooked for about 20 minutes, the pasta is tender and is all cooked up and together. The step will be to take our green onions and dump them into our pot, where they're going to get stirred in thoroughly. Well, this ended up having a nice, saucy, smoky flavor. There's a little kick to it that I appreciate, but it's not overwhelming. The pasta's cooked perfectly. The chicken and the sausage are. I like how there's a little tiny flavor palette for everything in it. Even the green onions add a good kick in the end. So overall, is a cheap and good dish. Has veggies in it, meat, some of your carbs. It's doing good. And it wasn't expensive. There's also one pot. That always makes it easy. It's so much easier than dirtying up about 16 dishes to make one thing. So, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, have any comments, leave me a like. Leave me a comment about it. And I'm going to finish this and see you in the next one. Bye.